Let's see how they perform. Here we have a metal blade. Now we try the old normal electric one first. Let's see what happens. Oh, right behind. As you see, I'm trying to get the speed right so the blade cuts the steel and doesn't get too hot. Well, let's try the other one. Probably the blade is pretty hot. Here we go. And as I said before, changing the blade on the battery powered one is a lot easier. There's also a setting on the side how far you want to push it forward. I usually put it either in the most front one or a little bit back, so you have some leeway. Well, let's try it. Well, that went a lot easier than with the other one. It's a little bit of a disadvantage that you can only turn it on and off, but with the roller button on the back you can get the speed pretty accurate. And with the other one, yes, there is the small button inside here to adjust the speed, but it is just, I think, a little button that keeps you from depressing the main button as far as you want. I see here the setting is all the way back. Well, maybe no, this one is stuck. And when cutting the steel, maybe let's take the other camera. Just show you. You see, in a lot less time you get a lot further. And this is about 10mm thick steel, so not too bad. It's also dependent on the blade, of course, but the newer machine works pretty nice. Okay, that's it for now. Thank you for watching.